Hey everybody, it's Chris with you again. I just got done, pretty much almost done with this 2015 Dodge Hemi with the 5.7. When I first got out here, it was a no start, no crank, no start. Ended up being 2 relays. Sorry, the lighting might be a little bad. Then end up having a leak, so we had to change the radiator. It was overheating because of the thermostat. Checked the PCV valve, that was good. And we have to top off the coolant as all is left and make sure there's no leak. Right there's the old radiator. Just waiting on the guy to get back with everything. I told him I wanted to make sure it was good. He's gonna just top it off. Sorry, you may hear the air compressor in the background airing up one of my tires. But he lost the beauty cover. I didn't lose it. It wasn't there when I started working on it. And I'm sorry about the lighting. The car comes from Texas and we're here in Ohio. I won't record as we're doing the finish the coolant because I don't want to offend the customer on him being in the video, even though he is a subscriber. And he's also a veteran. So shout out for him as far as being a veteran. And please leave a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you know when I do a video. It don't cost you anything to like it or subscribe, and it helps me a lot and helps the channel. That's how you can help me in a lot more ways than you believe. Alright, I will let you know what happens later. Bye. Hey everybody, I'm just filling you in for what happened on the charger. That fixed everything, and as far as I know, everything's good. He still has a tiny drip somewhere, but that wasn't the issue I was called for. And I'm trying to just give you the update and get this out. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and ring that bell so you know when I do another video. And I gotta finish up another one to send out to you guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.